So don't get me wrong, I like to leave things really natural. But when you see a whole bunch of kids come out and you're like, they've been trying to build things. And they left a bit of their stuff here. And I've always got a hatchet. I think I'm gonna build something for them. It looks like they could use a different table setup. Okay, so I have my masterpiece, la la. Right? If I had more time or was actually staying here for the night, I would take little pieces along here, right? And instead of plywood, like, you can actually just use some good sticks that you would normally burn for your fire. Fun thing to do after storms when lots of green trees have dropped, because you can't burn wet wood, but you can bushcraft with it. So you might as well have some fun. I also left them a bunch of their doweled stuff, which is really impressive that they round hole doweled, right? I'm squares or spikes, unknown. So they can build something else with that. For the most part though, they went from shitty rotten table to much nicer table. And yeah, no nails, just dowels, wedging, carving, extra supports all around, right? Yeah. Don't put nails in the live trees. And these ones are live, this one's not. As they grow, this wood will rot and fall away. I don't need their plastic rope. I don't need anything like that. Just some patience and playing with shapes and a hatchet. And a puppy stealing sticks.